Installing Lambda 2.0 requires just a few simple steps. Download Lambda 2.0 from this link. Before downloading the latest version of Lambda, you need to enter some simple personal data and accept the privacy policy. And follow the instructions. Then proceed to install the Lambda program by running the file Lambda 2 setup. exe. In some cases, and this depends on the level of control settings of the user account, the system may ask for confirmation to allow installation of the application with unknown author. Obviously, if you want to install Lambda 2.0, you have to say run it anyway, and say yes to the warning window. And then also, the antivirus program installed on your computer may also block the installation, as Lambda 2.0 is a new program for it, and even in this case you must press the button that allows you to go ahead with the installation. Please refer to the manual of your antivirus program on this point. The installation procedure is very simple, but you can customize the installation by choosing the language, working directory, etc., or leave everything as proposed. Lambda 2.0 is now available in the following languages and localizations of the Lambda code thanks to the Erasmus Plus DeedMath project: English, Italian, Polish, German, French, Portuguese, Ukrainian. The choice of language also conditions the 8-point Braille Lambda syntax derived from the corresponding 6-point Braille syntax traditionally used for that language and country. If a previous installation is present, the program asks you to remove the previous version and then proceed with the new installation. During installation, you are asked which screen reader is installed on your PC. None, JAWS or NVIDIA. The screen readers that can be used are JAWS up to the latest version 2023 and NVIDIA 2022 to 2023. Select the type of screen reader installed on your PC and click on Next. Let's look in detail at all the next steps for installation. An installation folder is proposed, which can be changed, and a warning that 357 megabytes of available space on your hard disk is required. You press Next and a new window asks you to indicate the name of the folder that will be created in the Windows the Start menu. Again, you can simply press Next, and the folder Lambda 2 will be created in the Start menu. A further window proposes to create a Lambda 2.0 icon on the desktop, and if there are several logins to the same computer with different users, proposes to install the program for all users, or only for the current user. Another selection is to ask whether or not to create an icon in the Quick Start bar, and finally whether or not to associate the new Lambda 2 file extension, which is Lambdax. Note that documents created with Lambda version 1.3 have a different extension, which is Lambda. Finally, everything is ready for installation, and after a brief summary of the choices made or confirmed, you can either press Install or go back to Intervene and change the choices made. The program starts the installation and takes about 3 minutes to complete the process, depending on the speed of the system used. In conclusion, in the vast majority of cases it is sufficient to press forward until the installation is complete. Once the installation of the JAWS scripts is complete, a window appears, followed by a second window and the ENG button to close the entire installation procedure.